In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer domain from Squarespace to Webflow and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, there are a lot of options regarding transferring domains from one service to another. On Squarespace, you can go over to your domain management page or your domain portfolio, find a comprehensive list of all the domains that you own, and you will be able to disable the transfer lock and acquire the authorization code. These two steps are mandatory to transfer your domain, not only from Squarespace but any other service, to another one. So is it possible for you to do these steps and transfer the domain from Squarespace to Webflow? Well, seeing as how Webflow is primarily a website designer tool, you might think that there is an option to import the website, import the design, or transfer everything over. But as it stands today, sadly, because of the fact that Webflow does not function as a domain registrar, you will not be able to transfer over your Squarespace website. Like I said, Webflow is primarily a building website tool, and because of this, you will not be able to use those steps that I mentioned, unlocking the transfer lock and acquiring the authorization code to transfer your website over to Webflow. If you click on Get Started here, you register for an account, and you try to browse through all of the options that they have, you will not be able to import the things from your Squarespace domain into Webflow. The only option that you would have would be to transfer your domain over to another domain registrar. So you transfer it over from Squarespace to GoDaddy, for example, and then connect the custom GoDaddy domain to Webflow. But as it stands today, transferring it directly from Squarespace to Webflow, which is the focus of this video, is completely impossible. Both of these services are mainly designed for you to build your website, and because Webflow itself does not function as a domain registrar, you will not be able to get this done. It is unfortunate, but the only option that you have is to manually rebuild your website from scratch if you need to use Webflow. Besides this, you will not be able to transfer them over with a simple click. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of these two services and why you cannot transfer your website from Squarespace to Webflow. They don't offer the option for you to do so, and because Webflow does not offer a domain registrar function, you will not be able to get this process done reliably. You need to transfer it over elsewhere and then connect your domain from Squarespace to a service such as GoDaddy, and then transfer it from GoDaddy into Webflow, if anything. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy to follow tips. Thank you for watching.